Okay, that was just the weirdest thing. I don't know why, but for some reason, all my stream settings got lost. So I had to reset up where all the windows are and everything. That's why I'm a little bit late today. Sorry if you've been waiting around for me to start. Let's have a look at that. That's probably a bit better. Cool. Okay, I've got no idea what I'm going to do today. We're going to make some magic. That's what we're going to do. We're listening to Shingo Nakamura in the background. I'm your host, Josh Wulf, and we're coding JavaScript in Minecraft, just the way the gods intended it. So basically I've got two windows that I'm sharing today. Got the Minecraft window, where we're going to be running around in the world of Minecraft doing stuff. And then we've got the coding window, which is in the web browser, where we code JavaScript for Minecraft. Let's have a look what we've done so far. We did spawning villages and then tracking them and then blowing them up. And then we made a bow that shoots zombies out of it. Let's just review those. So, first of all, spawning the villagers, it's down here. Let's have a look. Villager. It's a pretty simple little spell. Let's try running it and see what happens. If I go cast villager, and I give him a name, let's call him Larry. Here he is, Larry the villager. Okay, let's let Larry go on his merry little way. We'll go back here, we got another spell here called compass, which gives me a compass. Compass? This one. So let's cast compass. Cast compass. I have a compass. Then we have another spell called track. This one's a little bit longer, but we pass in a name and it's a 5-second period, so we'll stick with the 5 seconds. If I now cast track Larry, I'm tracking Larry every 5 seconds. So my compass is now pointing towards Larry wherever he may be. Looks like he's this way. There he is. Now every 5 seconds when it retracts, updates Larry's position, retargets itself on Larry, it'll swing out of alignment for a second. Who's this guy? And then we made a spell called terminate, which blows Larry up. Let's have a look at that. Terminate. That's going to blow Larry up. So there's Larry. Happy little Larry. Happy as Larry. And then if we now cast terminate Larry. Terminate Larry. Chaotic evil magic. Boom. Larry has left the building. Let's loot his straw or whatever it was. Okay. And then, so that was the week before last. And then last week we made this one called Zombie Bow. Now I'm not sure if this one still works, because I was halfway through modifying it when we finished last time. And let me just bring up my Twitch chat in case someone drops by and wants to say hi. So where is that Twitch chat? There. Just keep that over here to the side. Bring up my Twitch chat in case someone drops. Okay, so let's try the zombie bow, see if it works still. So we go back to Minecraft, and then we're going to cast zombie bow. Zombie bow. Okay, I have the zombie bow. What number slot is it? It's in slot 9. There it is. Okay, let's shoot a zombie at something. It's an interesting looking place. Shoot a zombie across here. Hold right to charge and then fire a flaming zombie. Haha. They're targeting me. I wonder, I guess they target the player. Yeah, they're not interested in the villager, but he's not interested in them either. He's running away. Okay, well, there's a few things that I could do. I started building a cloak of fire protection. That's one thing. The other thing is I could do like a zombie collision. Because at the moment, if I shoot this guy with a zombie, wham, whoops. Yeah. The zombies kind of go straight through things. They don't actually collide. So we could try like a entity collision to make them actually do damage. Not sure if you can actually catch that event. Minecraft is pretty cool for programming because it's like they're like objects. It's a very object-oriented kind of model that they use to program it. You know, it makes sense, doesn't it? Let's get to safety. Yeah, he flamed out. Okay. Let's have a look at entity collisions in Bucket. So Bucket, entity collision. Entity collision event. Fire exploding pigs from a special wand. Actually, we could make the zombies explode on impact. That would do it. There's no event in Bucket to fit your needs. Vehicle collision. I'm looking for a way to detect if two entities or an entity and a block collide. There's no event in Bucket to fit your needs. Vehicle collision. Either add these events yourself or have a repeating task where you loop through each entity in the world to see if it's collided with any other entity in the world. Great performance drops, yeah, exactly. Custom projectile, yeah. Raycast. Raycasts in a Minecraft plugin? What is this sorcery? Looks like you can turn off the AI on the zombie. That'd be one thing, so the zombies don't start attacking me. Entities NBT tags. No AI tag for one. Let's try it out. This is in Java. I'm making JavaScript. Modifying it to suit our needs. So we're going to get the NBT tag of the zombie. No get NBT tag. Let's see what we can do with the zombie. Get. Let's try this. So go to bucket.magicraft.io. And we'll search in here for NBT tag. NBT. Right. NBT. KBT. What am I doing? NBT. No results. Nothing. Tags. Okay. Spawning mobs with no AI in the new 1.8. So we're on 1.14 now. It's a long time ago. Let's have a look at entity AI, mob AI. Bucket. Custom mob AI. I want to make an entity AI. Cool. You can use entity set AI true false. Okay, is that a thing? So we would do zombie set AI. Set AI. Nope. Let's have a look at AI. So AI. What would I search for to get that? Let's just have a look at the entity class. Entity. Okay. Different types of entities. Mob. Get target, set target. Okay. Let's see if there's anything on this page that says AI. Has AI, set AI. From living entity. That's interesting. Okay, so let's go back to here. According to this, even though it's not actually on there, get rid of these. According to this should work. And if it does work, we're going to have to update the typings. Okay, well we can save it. Even though it says it's an error here, there's no semantic checking when it gets compiled to JavaScript. Yeah. Okay, well let's make it daytime. Whoops. Not really what I wanted to do. I wonder if the zombie will still be in flames if he comes across the water. And he's going around it. He doesn't like water. In that case, I'll stand in the water. Okay. So I need to cast the zombie bow spell to get my new zombie bow spell. Zombie bow. Ding. Just the new zombie bow. What just happened? Am I inside a zombie? Yeah. Okay, that obviously did work. They got no AI, so they're just sitting there. Doing nothing. Do they attack you if you go next to them? No. He's a real zombie. Okay, that's interesting. It's funny. Okay, when they have no AI, they have no velocity either. Interesting. Okay, well, in that case, we are going to have to go... Hang on. I'm just going to get an instance of VS Code that we can use. Because we're going to have to modify... We're going to have to modify the Magicraft, Scriptcraft typings. So, code... let's create a new one. File, new window. Let's move it over here. It'd be useful to be able to edit that actually in the web. And this one's called Code Welcome. Where is it? Not there. Cancel that. Like this. That one. Say okay to that, and then turn that off. Okay, great. Okay, we got a transition. Cool. Okay, file, open. You won't be able to see the open dialog. In fact, I can't see it either. Let's try that again. Here we go. Scriptcraft types. Here we go. Open. Whoops, it did say don't close this window. Whatever. Okay, so let's find the living entity in here. Because apparently it's on the living entity. Living in entity. Oh man, what a big weekend it's been. Tell you what, I definitely did not feel like streaming today. And then I opened up my streaming software and like all the windows were all wonky and I was like, oh no. Living entity. And then, yeah, but you know, it's not always about what you feel like doing. You just keep doing, whether you feel like it or not. And that's how you produce results. That's one thing I got doing bodybuilding competitions. Really got it there. Let's try that again. Interface living entity, I think, is what we're looking for. Interface living entity space. Here we go. Now, has AI. Yep. Set AI. Okay, so the zombie. Nope. The zombie is not inheriting from a living entity. So look. An entity. Interface entity space. Oh. A zombie. He's an entity type. Entity type. Interface entity. Let's see if the zombie has add passenger. Zombie dot add passenger. He does. So it looks like this entity extends. Haha, extends entity. Let's go back to here. Living entity. Super interfaces entity. Sub interfaces zombie zombieology. Okay, so even though I said that zombie was an entity, zombie entity type. How did I create that entity? He needs to extend living entity. Oh, spawn entity. Okay, I needed to do this. Is that what's wrong? World.spawn entity. Here we go. It returns an entity. Creates an entity. Super interface, sub interface, zombie, super interfaces, entity, living entity. Okay. Okay, depending on the entity type as to what it returns. Spawn entity. Hmm. 7375. Could be an entity or it could be a living entity. There's kind of two ways I could address this. The easiest way would be to say the easiest way to do it is to say that it returns either an entity or a living entity. This is the easiest, quickest way. Okay, I'm just going to push this change straight to master. So we'll just say spawn entity. May return living entity. Okay, and then push that, and then also npm publish a new version. And then let's go back here. Now, according to my calculations, if I save that, and then I refresh it, it should work. Let's have a look if that worked. Zombie bow. Living entity, zombie, nope. What's the problem? Okay, well the easiest way for me to get around this here would be to just typecast it here as living entity. Ta-da! Done. Well, that's a hack around. Save it and check again. It's still not working now. Let's have a look why. Publish the new version. Maybe if I go here, open my developer tools, open developer tools, and then go empty cache and hard reload. Let's try that. Let's check the zombie bow again. Oh, my stream quality is so low. Yeah, I'm gonna pull a plug on it. Didn't work. Boo.